Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So it's me J Rapid. So for today, we are going to make a soy glazed chicken. So stay tuned. So first, we have to season the chicken with salt and pepper each side. Not too much of pepper because it will get so spicy. So we use a powderized black pepper. And then season it on the other side. So yeah. Now we're going to prepare the what you call this, the cornstarch. Yeah, like that. Then coat the chicken with a thin layer of cornstarch each side. After coating the chicken with cornstarch, we're going to make the sauce of the soy glazed chicken. So first is soy sauce, and then the oyster sauce, and then the honey, and the 5 spice powder, and a lot of garlic. Then you have to mix it together. Like that. Mix it. After making the sauce, we're going to fry our chicken for 2 minutes each side. So after frying the chicken, we're going to set aside it, and then we're gonna focus on the sauce. So what are we going to do is to simmer the sauce for 30 seconds until it's boiling. So if it boils, then we have to put the chicken and then simmer it for a medium heat only. It's like that, medium heat. Then now it's boiling, you have to put the chicken. Then simmer it for 2 minutes each side. And this is the final product of our hard work. So this is the soy glazed chicken. That's all for today's video guys. Hanggang sa susunod, paalam!